My name is Graham Douglas. I'm Logistics Supervisor at Steele Solutions Incorporated. Before ShipperGuide, we definitely had a few problems. One was that we had a team of 4 different people, all operating, through their own email, maintaining their own spreadsheet, or the shared spreadsheets were just a complete mess with multiple people in them all at the same time, making sure that everyone on the team knew where our quotes were at, who the key carriers for different lanes were, that kind of thing. So it was difficult to keep all of that straight when the data was really siloed between different email chains, different spreadsheets, even Word documents at times. So that was a struggle for us. ShipperGuide's been a lot better for us. The biggest thing for us is the data that we can pull out of it. We can see our freight spend. We can compare it to market rates. We can compare what we're booking against the average rates, the minimum rates that we were seeing, and make sure we're driving to that minimum rate, staying below the average. I mean, in terms of how we procure our freight, things are a lot easier. It's a lot more organized, and it's a lot more transparent. There's more accountability because of the reporting that we can get out of it. Yeah, the results have been good. One of the biggest things is if we look at a trend line, we've been with this since August 2022. We're now in March 2023. The trend line in terms of how we're booking our freight against the market average, against the average rates that we're seeing on our RFPs, has been on its way down the entire way. So we do have measurable success in terms of driving our freight costs down. There's a lot easier for me as a supervisor to kind of see what the entire team is doing at a glance, having all of the shipments, all of the quotes, all of the tenders, all of the contracts easily viewable on just a couple of different tabs within the ShipperGuide system, that if you aren't currently using some sort of system to keep all of your freight quoting, all of your awards, your tenders, your bookings, all of that stuff in one place, the ShipperGuide's a great tool for that. If you need something that is really, really focused on your freight cost and you need reporting that's going to show you where those costs are going, what percentage is going to different carriers, how you're doing, is your team booking the lowest rate anytime they can, or are they at least getting close to the lowest rate? If you have a need for any of that kind of stuff, ShipperGuide's good.